Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, as you know, we had started chapter number 11 of First Flight. The name of the chapter was The Proposal, and till here we had read that there was a discussion in Natalia and Lomov, first over the matter of the land they were having, and secondly, when Natalia came to know that Lomov had come to their home to propose her. Then she calls her back, but again they starts discussing over the matter of dogs, and Natalia says to Lomov that Natalia's dog is better than Lomov, but Lomov says that his dog is better than Natalia's. And in the meantime, Chubukov means Natalia's father came in and she asked from his father to tell to Lomov that their dog is better than Lomov's. And Lomov says that if your dog is better than mine, then your dog must win the dog race which he was not able to win. And Chubukov says that our dog left behind because the Count's whipper-in hit him with his whip. Now let us continue from here. Lomov says, and with good reason, the dogs are running after a fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep. तो लोमोव कहता है कि डॉग्स ज़्यादातर फॉक्स के पीछे भागते हैं, लेकिन जो स्क्वीज़र है वो शीप के पीछे. Chubukov says, it's not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper, and so just because of that, let's stop arguing. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dog. So Chubukov says that now don't discuss with me the matter of the dogs, otherwise I'll lose my temper. So yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You no sooner begin with this, that, the other, and all that. I remember everything. Then Lomov says, I remember too. Chubukov, teasing him, I remember too. What do you remember? Lomov, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep. I can't. तो Lomov, पता है हमने स्टार्टिंग में भी पढ़ा है कि जब भी कोई मैटर ऑफ डिस्कशन होता है, जब कोई वरी वाला मैटर होता है, तो लोमोव का जो लेफ्ट साइड है वो स्ट्रेच होनी शुरू हो जाती है, उसका पैर सो जाता है. सो लोमोव सेज, माई हार्ट, माई फुट इज गोइंग टू स्लीप. I can't discuss more. Natalia says, my heart, what sort of hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go for fox after foxes, my heart. तो नताल्या उसका मजाक उड़ाती है कि तुम घर से निकला ही मत करो जो ऐसी बातें करते हो. Chubukov says, yes, really, what sort of a matter are you anyway? You ought to sit at home with your palpitations and not go tracking animals. So Chubukov also says that it's better for you to stay at home and not go following the animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs, and so on. Let us change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway. And Chubukov says that now let us change the matter, but one thing I want to add here, that you are not a good hunter. Lomov says, and are you a hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the Count and to intrigue. So Count is the owner of the dog and intrigue is plan. So Lomov says that you are saying that you are a hunter, but you only go for hunting to get in with the Count and to plan. Oh, my heart, you are an intriguer, you are a planner. Chubukov, what? I am an intriguer? Shut up. Lomov, intriguer, yes, कहता तुम प्लान करते हो. Chubukov, boy, pup. फिर वो चुबुकोव लोमोव को पपी बोलता है. लोमोव, old rat, sweet. Chubukov, shut up or I'll shoot you like a partridge. Partridge is a pigeon-like bird. You fool. Lomov, everybody knows that. Oh, my heart, Your late wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks, I fall, I fall. और पता है कि जब लोमोव थोड़ा गुस्से में आता है तो वो फिर उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी शुरू हो जाती है, तो फिर वो उसके पैर लड़खड़ाने लगते हैं. चुबुकोव, एंड यू आर अंडर द स्लीपर ऑफ योर हाउस कीपर. और कहता है तुम तो अपने स्लीपर हाउस कीपर के पैरों के नीचे हो. लोमोव, देयर 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 माई हार्ट्स बर्स्ट, माई शोल्डर्स कम ऑफ, वेयर्स माई शोल्डर, आई डाई. A doctor. Chubukov, boy, milk shop, fool, I am sick. Drinks water, sick. Natalia, what sort of a hunter are you? You can't even sit on a horse. Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa. He's dead. So Natalia says to father that Papa, just take care of him. He is going to die. Chubukov says, I am sick. I can't breathe air. And Chubukov says that I am not able to breathe. I am sick. So Natalia says he is dead. Pulls Lomov's sleeve. Ivan's Vasilevich. Ivan, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls to an armchair. A doctor. फिर नताल्या कहती है कि वो मरने वाला है, डॉक्टर को लेके आओ. Chubukov, oh, what is it? What's the matter? Natalia, he is dead. Chubukov, who is dead? Looks at Lomov. So he is, my word. Water. A doctor lifts a tumbler लेती है, उसके मुंह में पानी डालती है. Drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead. And all that. I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I pull a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. Lomov moves. He seems to coming round. Drink some water. That's right. Chubukov अपने आप को गलत फील करता है यहाँ पे कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया कि जिसके कारण जो लोमोव है वो मर रहा है. लेकिन इतने में लोमोव हिलता है थोड़ा सा. लोमोव, आई सी स्टार्स, मिस्ट, वेयर एम आई. चुबुकोव, हरी अप एंड गेट मैरिड. कहता जल्दी उठो और शादी कर लो. एंड वेल टू द डेविल विद यू. शी इज विलिंग, कि Natalia is willing to get married with you. He puts Lomov's hands into his daughter's. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Lomov getting up. What to whom? Chubukov, she is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you. Natalia cries. He is alive. Yes, yes, I am willing. फिर Natalia भी बोलती है कि मैं willing हूँ इससे शादी करने के लिए. Chubukov, kiss each other. Lomov, kiss whom they kiss. Very nice to excuse me. What's it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart, stars, I am happy. Natalia kisses her hand. My foot has gone to sleep. Natalia, I am very happy too. Natalia भी बहुत खुश थी लोमोव से शादी करने के लिए. Chubuko, what a weight off my shoulders. Ouf, Natalia, but still you will admit now that guess is worse than squeezer. तो नताल्या कहती है लेकिन एक बात है, मैं तुझे बता दूं कि जो गेस है वो वर्स है देन आर स्क्वीजर. लोमोव, बेटर. नताल्या सेज नो, ही इज वर्स. Chubuko, well, that's a way to start your family bliss. Have some champagne. Champagne is a costly liquor. Lomov, he is better. Natalia, worse. Chubukov, trying to shout her down. Champagne, and the curtain falls. Yes, students, now we'll do exercise. There are not much questions in the exercise. 3 questions are there. So, thinking about the play, page number 157. First question is, what does Chubukov at first suspect that Lomov has come for? Is he sincere when he later says, and I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son? Find reasons for your answer. Or why does Chubukov suspect Lomov when he comes to his house? So answer is, Chubukov at first suspects that Lomov has come to borrow money. पहले चुबुकोव को लगता है कि शायद लोमोव पैसे लेने आया है. He is not sincere in saying this. After some moment, Chubukov starts fighting with Lomov over petty matters. बहुत छोटे छोटे मैटर्स पे फाइट स्टार्ट हो जाती है. In fact, he sides with his daughter in fighting with Lomov. He even abuses Lomov. He calls him bad names. This shows his insecurity in saying this flattering sentence. Second is Chubukov says of Natalia as if she won't consent. She is in love. Egad, she is like a lovesick cat. Would you agree? Find reasons. Yes, Natalia is in love. नतल्या लव में है. कैसे? जब वो एक बार लैंड के मैटर के ऊपर डिस्कशन करके चला जाता है, तब तक नतल्या को नहीं पता था कि वो मैरिज प्रपोजल लेके आया था. और जैसे ही नतल्या को ये पता चलता है कि वो मेरे लिए मैरिज प्रपोजल लेके आया था, तो वो अपने फादर को बोलती है कि कॉल हिम बैक. सो yes, Natalia is in love. This is clear in her behavior when she knows that Lomov came to propose her. When she knows it, she starts weeping. She calls her father to bring him back at once. Lomov has gone out after the quarrel. She becomes hysteric. Find out all the words and expression that the character used to speak about Lomov in the end. So Natalia calls Lomov rascal, the monster. Chubukov calls him the villain, scarecrow, the blind hen, turnip ghost, stuffed sausage, wizen-faced frump, malicious, double-faced intriguer, pup, old red, sweet milksop fool. Chubukov calls Lomov's father as a guzzling gambler. Lomov calls Chubukov intriguer, Natalia's mother as hump-backed backbiters. Chubukov calls Lomov as my precious. Lomov calls Natalia as an excellent housekeeper, not bad-looking, well-educated. The second part है, think of 5 adjective or adjectival expressions of your own to describe each character. लोमोव के लिए कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? assertive, weak hearted, diffident, stupid, idiotic, cultured. नतल्या के लिए quarrelsome, foolish, idiotic, unwise, immature. चुबुकोव के लिए mean, assertive, low-minded, abusive, quarrelsome, insensible. वर्ड्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम है सबके लिए, क्योंकि सबकी आदत एक जैसी ही है. सभी लड़ाके हैं इस प्ले में. कैन यू नाउ इमेजिन दैट दीज कैरेक्टर्स विल क्वार्रल अबाउट नेक्स्ट? दे विल फाइट ऑन वेरी petty matters. So that's all with this chapter, and with this the syllabus is complete. Right now we'll start revision of the syllabus from tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day, students.